Today I'll be making Japanese sweet potato chips. These chips are so easy to make. Treat yourself and your family to these perfectly crispy snacks. Hi, I'm Julie, your guide to easy Japanese cooking here at Chef J Cooks. For today's recipe, you will need 1 Japanese sweet potato, vegetable oil as needed for frying, salt to taste. Step 1. Cut the sweet potato into thin, uniform slices. Place them in a bowl, cover with water, and soak for 5 minutes. Drain the water and pat the slices dry with paper towels. Grab a copy of my new ebook from Japan with Flavor Vegetarian, featuring over 80 easy vegetarian dishes for everyday cooking. Go to shop.chefjcooks.com. Step 2. Heat enough oil in a deep pot over medium heat. Fry the sweet potato slices in batches for 2 to 3 minutes until crispy. Transfer them to a wire rack to drain any excess oil. Step 3. While the chips are still warm, transfer them to a bowl and sprinkle with salt to taste. Serve and enjoy! The crunchy texture and sweet salty flavor are so good, you won't be able to stop. I hope you enjoy these crispy sweet potato chips. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.